Hello everyone, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Syalhaq. You can call me Saul. My hobby is playing volleyball. I live in Jalan Poros Pangkecine, Lotang Salo. My motto is sitting around without doing everything of useless. The reason why I am joined to YMC because seru dan menambahkan wawasan dan ingin merasakan jadi anggota YMC. That's all. Thank you for the attention. Together we learn, together we grow. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nurfatul Yana. You can call me Nana. I was born on Bulu Cenrana, 11 July 2009. I am 14 years old. I am from Penanong. I live at Jalan Angkatan 66. I am student of MTS YMP Rapang. My ambition is Pol1. Duration I entered YMC, I want to encourage my knowledge about English, all things, data, all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Dasaputri, you can call me Nabila. My name is Lilis Kamalia, you can call me Lilis for short. My name is Nabila Novianti, you can call me Nabila for short. I'm join YMC because ini menambah wawasan dan ilmu pengetahuan bahasa Inggris. I am join YMC because karena ingin menambah wawasan pengetahuan serta memperluas pembelajaran bahasa Inggris saya. I am join YMC because ingin menambah ilmu bahasa Inggris dan menambah pengalaman.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Amelia Dwi Putri. You can call me Amel for short. I live in Telang-Telang on Jalan Poros Kulo. I was born Sidrap 24 December 2008. I am student of Islamic Junior High School of YMP Rapang. I want to be a doctor. My favorite color is pink. And the reason register for YMC because I want to improve my English. That's all for my self-introduction. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.